Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're going to do today is we're going to assemble a little Stirling engine kit. It has pretty much all assembled. It said minimal assembly required, so I brought a little screwdriver and a pair of pliers for adjusting stuff to see what all's involved in that. So anyway, let's go over here to the patio table and let's check it out. Looks like it comes pretty well packed. Come with a couple of cards, kind of possibly promoting some of their other models that they have. They got a pretty good assortment there, so I'll probably have to check those out. There's the little flywheel. Really nicely finished, and doesn't look like it's going to take much to get it going. On watching a few other videos about these kits, I had seen where you can use just plain graphite from a pencil to kind of help work as a lubricant. I have graphite powder, but sometimes that stuff can make a little bit of a mess. So I'm going to go around this and give it a little coating. The large piston goes to the flywheel side, and it just kind of snaps on there, the little connecting rod. Okay. And what this does, this uses heat transfer from the top and the bottom, and displaces air and makes the crankshaft move and the little flywheel. So now we need to get some heat, so I'll be right back. What we have is just a regular cup of coffee, and you could use any hot liquid, and we're gonna set this on top of it and let this chamber kind of absorb some heat. It's going to take a few seconds, and we'll come back. All right, it's just been sitting up there just for a little bit, maybe 20 seconds. I'll just give it a little slight spin. Well, this engine, it was invented by Dr. Robert Stirling in 1816, and it was rivaling steam engines at the time. So, they would use a number of different heat sources. You didn't have the complications of, say, an internal combustion engine might have. So as always, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.